Number 5. HyperX Alloy Origin 60. Free up more room for your mouse with this supremely compact keyboard. The aluminum casing keeps the keyboard structurally sound and stable. The keycaps are designed with durable PBT material that is resistant to wear, friction, and solvents. Custom-designed HyperX key switches are balanced for speed and accuracy. Get brighter, more luminous RGB lighting, thanks to the exposed LED design. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Razer Huntsman Mini. Razer optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Oil-resistant double-shot PBT keycaps. Razer HyperShift allows for all keys and key press combinations. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Drop Alt. The Alt mechanical keyboard is a smaller take on Drop's control model. Constructed with a solid aluminum frame with a built-in switch plate and magnetic legs. This Alt model comes equipped with Halo Clear switches. Customize the Alt with ease thanks to hot swappable switch sockets. The Alt is illuminated with fully customizable RGB backlighting and underlighting. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. AnPro 2. Minimalistic design doing more with less. Designed with comfortable and nice typing angle. Decent Bluetooth connectivity enables wireless connection up to 4 devices and switch. Revamped Events Kit Starter software simplifies. The Magic FN on the caps lock button makes it easier to utilize. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Ducky 12 Mini. 10 additional PBT double-shot colorful keycaps, brand new bezel design. Dual-layer PCB PBT double-shot seamless keycaps supports Ducky Macro 2.0. The most powerful hardware available in the market, 3-level adjustable feet. It is designed and engineered in a way to provide the user with the best durability and typing experience. The 12 can be adjusted into 3 placement angles, optimizing typing comfortability and legend visibility. Please check the description for details and best price.